Spill the portion and prepare.
No jail cell can hold Captain more gold than his fearsome crew. You ain't seen the last of Captain more gold.
Never mind. Fleshly man. We travel by foot. Mr. Longneck, I require a heading. Aye, aye, Captain.
Are the mermaids guarding the entrance to the Speelunker treasure? Get out! Unfortunately, I be placed in the bewilderment. Ancient Speelunker ruins, but nowhere to be found on the map. I have a feeling in my boots, ladies, that fortune may still lend a hand in this here venture. I've been placed in a bewilderment. Ancient Speelunker ruins, but nowhere to be found on me map. I have a feeling in my boots, ladies, that fortune may still lend a hand in this here venture.
Steady lads, we're entering the land of the Speelunkers.
Once your ship is entering the dock, you may exit to your right and out